Hey, it's Mike from Risco Music. Do you have a looper pedal and you're having a hard time creating a loop? Let me show you a little trick that is really the first step in getting a good loop together. So the first thing you do is just you have to figure out what you're going to record. Let's just take something really simple, 2 chords, G to C. I'm just going to go like this. C add 9, back, okay? Now, what you have to do is, it has to do with when you step on it, but it has to do with your right hand. You have to play a little bit through the loop. So when your chord progression ends, you have to keep kind of playing. Let me show you the wrong way to do it first. This is what a lot of beginners with loopers do. They go like this, G, C, and then they step on it. Now, of course, I have a big space there. I can't really use that. I'm gonna erase it, and I'm gonna show you how to do this the right way. If you watch my right hand, I keep playing through the G for a second when it comes back. That's gonna make it smooth. Okay, here we go. G, C. So you watch I step, and I keep playing for a second. No break. G, C. And that's it. That's how you do it. Thank you. Visit us at riscomusic.com.